Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shubhangi and today I want to show these two cute owls that I have recently made. So the first one that I have already made a video out of it, and so I'm going to share the next owl video. There is a quiz question at the end, so watch it completely. So let's get started. You need 4.8 inches oval shaped stone, or you can make in any other surface with the same dimension. You need a sponge brush, a small brush. I've used this Brustro technical pen, but you can use any other sketch pen or marker if you have. So need dotting tool or toothpick for making dots. At first I am making the base coat with the sponge. I have picked a small portion of the white color with this sponge and then I'm dabbing the surface with it. You don't have to rub it too hard, you just have to dab it. You can buy a sponge brush from Amazon, but if you don't have that, you can use your normal Scotch-Brite dish cleaner sponge that is easily available in any other general store. I'm using the same. Best part about using the sponges, there is no brush line that normally we get while using a brush. So you can just try with this and you'll love the texture. So I'm making two rounds. That will be the eye of the owl. The size is approximately an inch and a half. I'm using any round surface. You can use anything to make this round shape, or you can do it freehand as well. So the two eyes, I'm making it very close to each other. You can check the picture. And then I'm making two small triangles at the corner of the eye, and then I'm making two small circles inside these eyes. Now I'm making V-shaped beak of the owl, and then I'm making a small U-shaped structure below the beak, and then making another U-shaped structure. I'm using a very fine brush that I have and using orange color, and then I'm highlighting the eye of the owl. Basically, I'm trying to make this owl as much colorful as I can. Here I'm using Fevicryl brand of color, but you can use any other color, acrylic color that you have in your home, because I understand that in this time of quarantine we don't have much supplies. That's why I've used the minimum basic things that are required for making this owl. Friends, now I'm making few feathers of the owl. So I'm making U-shape structure below the beak. So you have to make multiple U-shaped structure or W structure, whatever you say. And then I'm making a few petals like we make while making a leaf. So similarly, just like a leaf shape structure I'm making. These are very easy illustrations that you can easily make. Even with for a small kid, it's very easy to make. So now I'm coloring these feathers first. I'm making the U-shaped structure. I'm coloring it with the crimson red color. Again, I'm using Fevicryl crimson red color here, and you can use any other brand of color. Now I'm coloring this second row U-shaped structure with yellow color. You can use lemon yellow color. This is the lemon yellow color that I've used of Fevicryl brand. Then I'm coloring the leaf shape structure of the owl. These are basically the feathers that I've made. So I am coloring it with green color. Now I'm coloring the layer below the beak of the owl. I'm using teal blue color here. You can use any other blue color. I really like teal blue color, and I have teal blue color of many brand. Here I'm using teal color of Fevicryl brand, but you can use any other blue color if you don't have the same color. Now I'm making the supercilium or the crown part of the owl. So here what I'm doing, I'm making two inverted U shape curved lines, and then I'm making few petals just like a flower petal. I'm coloring this petal with magenta color. The brand of the paint is Folk Art multi-surface paint. If you don't have same brand of paint of Folk Art, then you can use the pink color of acrylic paint, Fevicryl acrylic paint, that is easily available in any general store, or you can also order it from Amazon. Now I am coloring the second row with teal color. Then I am coloring the below small surface with lemon yellow color. Now I am coloring the beak with violet color. Now I am making the body of the owl from the outer edge of the eye and then covering the whole edge of the stone. As I am making this owl as a mama owl, so I wanted to make beautiful eyes. Now I am making the eyelids. So you have to make some like S-shaped structure and then make the cornea of the eye. As in the previous video, I have made 2 layers in the cornea of the eye. Similarly, we'll do it here. I'm coloring the outer layer with teal blue color, and then I'll color the inner layer with the black color. Now I'm coloring the eyelid of the eyes with green color. So now I'm coloring the body or the base of the owl with yellow color. So I'm starting off with the outer edge of the eye and then following up the edge of the stone. At this stage you can double coat the colors that you have done before after they are completely dry. So I am double coating the magenta color that I have made the feathers with. It's very important to highlight the different structures of any artwork with black color. So here I am using Brushtro Technical Pen 0.8 mm, but you can use any other marker, black marker if you have, or you can also use black sketch pen that is easily available in our home. And if you are very confident with your brush stroke, you can go ahead with your 0 number brush. Friends, now I am making some fine lines, some vertical lines below the beak of the owl in the teal blue color. And now I am making one vertical line and then some diagonal line in the green leaf structure of the feathers. You can check any leaf if you have nearby. You can see the veins that are going through the leaf, exactly like those. You have to make it here. Similarly, I am surrounding the eye of the owl with some vertical lines like these. Similarly, I am making these lines in the supercilium part. Now I am making some dots on the yellow part of the collar of the owl. I am making it with green color. Now I am filling the outermost feather part with some teal color dots. You don't have to be very specific about these dots. You can make some random dots. You just have to fill the petals. If you don't have a dotting tool, you can use toothpick for making these dots. Now make the outline of the body of the owl with black color. Now I am making very fine dots on the beak with white color. And I am also making few white color dots on the outer edge of the eye. If you don't have a dotting tool, you can use toothpick for making these fine dots. As I am proceeding towards the end of the video, I am throwing up a quiz question for you all. So the quiz is, what color I have used for making the beak of the owl. Lastly, I am making 2 white color dots on the corner of the eye, one bigger dot and one smaller dot. Friends, I am done with this owl tutorial. I have made a previous video of smaller owl that you can get from the notification from the eye icon that is coming up at the top, and I really enjoyed making these 2 owls for you all. I hope you enjoy these artwork with your kids at home. You don't need much stuff for making this owl. Let me know in the comment section what you think about it, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this artwork, please hit the like button and share with your friends and family. Stay safe, stay healthy, take care, bye bye.